Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off these grids in MicroStation 2024. So if you open this interface, you will see the grid in your model space. In this model space, if you want to turn off this grid, you should go to this sign in your view. So let me click this one, and here you will see this is your grid. So if you turn off, just click it and your grid will be turned off. And if you want to turn it on again, just go to the grids and just turn it on. And also in this icon called the attributes, especially this view attribute, you can, if you click this one, it will make a new dialog box on it. If you click this side arrow on view attributes, it will just give you a menu for grid on off. So just click this, it will be on your grid or off your grid. That's it.